Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are factoring trinomials using the AC method. We have two problems. Part B, 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. Part C, 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. Key concept, the AC method. We use this method when the leading coefficient is not 1. Here are the 5 steps. Step 1, multiply a times C. Step 2, find two numbers that multiply to a times C, and add to B. Step 3, split the middle term using those two numbers. Step 4, factor by grouping. Step 5, verify your answer by distributing using FOIL. Part B, factor 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. Identify the values, A equals 4, B equals negative 8, C equals 3. Step 1, multiply a times C, 4 times 3 equals 12. Step 2, find two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to negative 8. Think about factor pairs of 12. Negative 2 times negative 6 equals 12. And negative 2 plus negative 6 equals negative 8. Those are our numbers. Step 3, split negative 8x into negative 2x minus 6x. We now have 4x squared minus 2x minus 6x plus 3. Step 4, factor by grouping. Group 1, 4x squared minus 2x. The GCF is 2x. Factor out, 2x times 2x minus 1. Group 2, negative 6x plus 3. The GCF is negative 3. Factor out, negative 3 times 2x minus 1. Both groups share the binomial 2x minus 1. Factor it out. 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 equals 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 3. Verify Part B. Distribute 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 3 using FOIL. First, 2x times 2x equals 4x squared. Outer, 2x times negative 3 equals negative 6x. Inner, negative 1 times 2x equals negative 2x. Last, negative 1 times negative 3 equals positive 3. Combine, 4x squared minus 6x minus 2x plus 3 equals 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. Confirmed. Part C, factor 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. Identify the values, A equals 6, B equals negative 7, C equals negative 3. Step 1, multiply a times C, 6 times negative 3 equals negative 18. Step 2, find two numbers that multiply to negative 18 and add to negative 7. Think about factor pairs of negative 18. 2 times negative 9 equals negative 18. And 2 plus negative 9 equals negative 7. Those are our numbers. Step 3, split negative 7x into 2x minus 9x. We now have 6x squared plus 2x minus 9x minus 3. Step 4, factor by grouping. Group 1, 6x squared plus 2x. The GCF is 2x. Factor out, 2x times 3x plus 1. Group 2, negative 9x minus 3. The GCF is negative 3. Factor out, negative 3 times 3x plus 1. Both groups share the binomial 3x plus 1. Factor it out. 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 equals 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 3. Verify Part C. Distribute 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 3 using FOIL. First, 3x times 2x equals 6x squared. Outer, 3x times negative 3 equals negative 9x. Inner, 1 times 2x equals 2x. Last, 1 times negative 3 equals negative 3. Combine, 6x squared minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equals 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. Confirmed. Recap. Part B, 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 equals 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 3. Part C, 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 equals 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 3. Remember the AC method every time. Step 1, multiply a times C. Step 2, find two numbers that multiply to AC and add to B. Step 3, split the middle term. Step 4, factor by grouping. And always verify by foiling your answer back out. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.